As a business owner or as a marketing manager, are you struggling to put your marketing messages in front of your audience and looking for an effective and affordable way to do that? Then WhatsApp marketing can be the perfect answer for you, because WhatsApp is a powerful tool that can help small businesses skyrocket their reach and grow their customer base. With over 2 billion customer base and affordable pricing, WhatsApp can be a game changer for small business marketing. With tools like group chats, broadcast message, and WhatsApp API, WhatsApp can be the perfect tool to reach your audience directly and grow your online business presence. So keep watching this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you will ever need to know about WhatsApp marketing. Hi, my name is Shobhik Ghosh and you are watching Internet Entry. So first, understand why WhatsApp is an excellent platform for marketing. The main benefit is that you can reach a large number of audience through broadcast messages and WhatsApp Business API. Additionally, WhatsApp offers end-to-end encryption. That means it provides the security and privacy of your message. So how can you effectively use WhatsApp to promote your small business? The first thing is that you can send one-to-one messages directly to your audience, through which you can build trust among your audience. You can convey your thoughts and resonate with your customer's mindset easily by sending one-to-one messages. This feature can be effective especially for a small business to build a strong sense of community and a loyal customer base. But there are some limitations to this feature. If you are trying to send messages one-to-one to your customer, you will have very limited number of audience to whom you can send messages. So you will not have a bigger audience to cater by sending one-to-one messages. So for that, what you can do is you can send broadcast messages. Using broadcast messages, you can send one particular message to up to 256 people at once. That is why it is a very effective mode of communication through WhatsApp. You can send your offers, promotions and discounts just in a click to your target audience. But this feature also has some limitations, because after you are sending the messages, whoever is receiving the message, he or she should have your contact number saved in their address book. So that means you cannot send messages to unknown people randomly, or you cannot spam by sending your message. There comes the third option where you can send messages to unknown people as well. So that is like group chat. In a WhatsApp group, you can add up to 1024 people, that is 1024 number of people in a group. So that means by putting in very small amount of effort, you can send WhatsApp messages to a comparatively large number of audience. But yes, you need to be mindful of the fact that people who don't know you or who doesn't resonate with your business will tend to leave the group and also may report you. And that is how you will lose contact, and as well as that particular WhatsApp number can also be blocked by WhatsApp. So the fourth solution for WhatsApp business marketing is WhatsApp Business API. So to overcome all the challenges of sending one-to-one messages, broadcast message or group chats, you can use WhatsApp Business API to build a powerful and effective communication platform. You can use platforms like Sendinblue, Interact, Wati, etc. to start with WhatsApp Business API, even without being a coder. With the help of WhatsApp Business API, you can send bulk SMSs to even unknown people who do not have your number saved. They can also see and receive your customized messages with links, call to action button, and they can also have quick reply buttons with which they can reply you, and they can click on a link which can lead to a landing page or an inquiry page about your business. So that is why WhatsApp Business API is quite useful, and you can send messages to even unknown people who don't know you. And this is how you can actually reach a large number of audience. These days you have seen that almost all the banks, e-commerce companies and many other form of business are using WhatsApp as a channel of marketing. They are sending automated messages, and you can also check your bank balance, post an inquiry about your product, or you can even directly purchase a product using WhatsApp business platform. You will have a limit of sending 1000 messages in a month. However, if you want to send more than 1000 messages in a month, you will have to pay for every message that you send or received using WhatsApp Business API platform. For the rate card and for the country specific rules, the link is given on the description. However, to succeed in WhatsApp business marketing, all you need to do is you need to focus on creating valuable content. The content that you are sending to your customers, it should not always be promotional. It should sometimes be informational and entertaining as well for your customer. Another important fact is that your content should be mobile friendly, because these days most people are using mobile devices for almost 70 to 80% of their daily communication. So a person uses his or her mobile device almost 4 to 5 hours in a day. Your content should always be mobile friendly, because WhatsApp is majorly used only on mobiles. Finally, it is important to be mindful about the fact that how frequently you are sending messages to your target audience. If you are sending too many messages, only promotional messages, then people may tend to ignore your messages and you will not generate much response or any lead from your target audience. So that is why it is always important to send few messages only in a month, maybe 3-4 times in a month only. So to conclude this video, I want to mention here that WhatsApp can be a powerful tool to market your business if you use it the right way. Hope you find this content useful. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.